This lecture describes how the pharmaceutical industry uses email marketing to reach out to healthcare professionals. First, it's important to understand that pharmaceutical companies are heavily regulated when it comes to marketing their products, particularly to HCPs. This is because HCPs play a critical role in prescribing medications to patients, and the pharmaceutical industry has a responsibility to ensure that the information they provide to HCPs is accurate, balanced, and not overly promotional. With that said, email marketing can be a useful tool for pharmaceutical companies to reach out to HCPs and provide them with information about new or existing products. These emails may contain educational materials, such as scientific articles or data on the efficacy and safety of a particular medication. They may also include invitations to attend conferences or webinars, or to participate in clinical trials. To ensure compliance with regulations, pharmaceutical companies typically have strict guidelines in place for the content and formatting of these emails. Companies may also use specialized software to track and record the emails they send to HCPs, as well as any responses or interactions. There are two major types of marketing: emails sent by reps, and emails sent by head office or a brand team. We will focus on emails sent by sales reps. The process for sending these emails typically begins with the pharmaceutical rep identifying a list of target HCPs to receive the email. This list may be compiled based on factors such as the HCP specialty, the type of patients they see, and their prescribing habits. The rep may also consider the HCP's geographic location and other demographic information. Once the target list has been compiled, the rep will typically write the email and customize it for each HCP on the list. The email may include information about the product, such as its benefits, how it compares to other options on the market, and any relevant clinical data. The rep may also include a call to action, such as inviting the HCP to attend a conference or webinar, or requesting a meeting to discuss the product in more detail. Before sending the emails, the rep will typically review them to ensure that they are compliant with all relevant laws and regulations, as well as the company's internal guidelines. Once the emails have been reviewed and approved, the rep will typically send them out using specialized email marketing software. This software may track and record the emails, as well as any responses or interactions from HCPs. In addition to email campaigns, reps may use emails as a form of follow-up to calls to inquire about whether there are any outstanding questions. An email marketing campaign can be analyzed in various ways, including by looking at the open rates and click rates of the emails. Open rate refers to the percentage of recipients who open an email. This can be a useful metric for understanding how effective the subject line and other factors, such as the sender name and the pre-header text, are at catching the recipient's attention and encouraging them to open the email. Click rate, on the other hand, refers to the percentage of recipients who click on a link within the email. This can be a useful metric for understanding how well the content of the email is resonating with the recipient and how effectively it is driving them to take a desired action, such as visiting a landing page or filling out a form. By analyzing the open and click rates of an email marketing campaign, companies can gain insight into the effectiveness of the emails and identify areas for improvement. For example, companies may find that certain subject lines or types of content are more effective at driving opens and clicks, and you can use this information to optimize future campaigns. So, in summary, the pharmaceutical industry uses email marketing as a way to provide accurate and balanced information to HCPs about their products.